What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the missing Samsung Notes app on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open Samsung Galaxy Store or Play Store. So after opening a store, go to the search bar and search for Samsung Notes. Now here it will show you the Samsung Notes app on the top. Tap on the app and then it will show install button here. So if it shows open, it means the Samsung Notes app is already installed on your phone. But if you haven't installed, then it will show the install option. But if you have installed the Samsung Notes app and still you can't find the app in your home screen or app screen, then maybe you have mistakenly hided the Samsung Notes app. So to unhide, click on this three dot more icon on the app screen and then click on settings. Now here in home screen settings, tap on hide apps on home and app screens option, and from here click on this remove icon on the Notes app and then tap on done to save changes. And after that you will be able to find the Notes app on your home screen, and you can also add it to your home screen. So that's how you can install the missing Samsung Notes app on Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.